Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your WordPress app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list here and there you're looking for WordPress app. Or just click on search. Then here add WordPress, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then you come to next step here, click on for shop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do now. So you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.